The ultimate Arcadiafinance review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for financial management tools, most people get this wrong by juggling multiple apps or spreadsheets. The surprising truth about Arcadiafinance is that it centralizes budgeting, investments, and expense tracking in a single platform, designed to give you clear insights into your financial health. First, sign up and link your accounts. You won't believe how simple it is to connect bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios securely. Next, explore budgeting tools. Most people get this wrong by not setting clear categories or goals. Arcadiafinance allows you to track income and expenses, create monthly budgets, and visualize spending trends through charts and graphs. Monitor investments and savings. The surprising truth is that seeing your portfolio in real time helps make smarter decisions. Arcadiafinance tracks stocks, crypto, and retirement accounts, providing insights on performance and potential risks. Finally, leverage reports and alerts. You won't believe how helpful notifications are for staying on track. Set up alerts for overspending, bill reminders, or unusual activity to avoid financial pitfalls. In conclusion, Arcadiafinance can take you from zero to pro in personal finance management. By connecting accounts, budgeting wisely, tracking investments, and using alerts, you can gain full control of your money, plan effectively, and achieve financial goals with confidence.